Alright guys, I just wanted to show you, I made this like cut rounded semi-circle shape. Okay, it's not difficult to do this shape, but I'm going to hit the A key, I'm going to deselect, and we're going to hit Shift A because I'm going to add, it's really a cube, it started out as a cube. So here's my cube, and I'm just going to bring this up, move it over. Okay, so here's my cube, and we add a modifier. So we're going to add modifier, we're going to go subdivision surface, and you see how the view changed. Now I'm going to change it to 3 in the view, 6 on the render, so it looks a little bit smoother. Okay, now when I go to object edit mode, it's kind of the cool part because you can edit still the shape even though it's a sphere. I've got it selected on edit mode and it's the line segment. So now if I go above here and I click and I drag along this edge, I can pull. And if you wanted to, you could turn this into some kind of pillow or something like that for your chair, cushion. Something else you can do is you can do an edge crease. So let me go in, turn it around a little bit. Okay, if I go to mesh and I go to edges, up at the top on mine is edge crease, Shift E. If I pull in the opposite direction, oh, I should have had Shift E. Okay, now I do it. Shift E. I have to have one of the sides. I'm going to pull in the opposite direction. See what happens? It gives it an edge crease. So you get this different kind of shape. Now, if I hold the Shift key and I select, doing it again. Okay. You don't want the top face lit up like that, selected, and then I go Shift E. And then if I pull, and I hit the return key, get this kind of bullet looking shape. So I just want to show you that's another modifier that you can use.